Is it really worth the money? When it comes to services, I sometimes wonder if the asking price is really worth it. I can usually find the service that I am looking for online. Then I have to look around to find which one is going to give me the most for the money. Well, I have found that if I go with the low ball guy, he is reeling me in for a huge sales pitch to asks me to spend more than I would with the high roller guy. Maybe that's where I should have started my search. Then again, I wrote an article a couple of months ago about an auto repair shop that promised to fix my truck for $1,000. Fair price to install a new rear end, and I agreed. 2 months later, I could not get my truck out of the shop for less than $2,000. They actually told me $2,000 or we will auction off your truck to pay the charges. I was robbed. I found out once again that maybe checking with a higher priced guy may have been a good idea. I am sure the price is higher because they put all of the add-on stuff in the original quote. The quote is supposed to at least be close to the actual price, right? The gist of my article is this. I have been in the carpet cleaning industry for almost 10 years. We get a bad rap, no doubt about it. We have to earn the respect that others have spit on and ripped off. There are a lot of great cleaners out there, and there are a few that kill the reputation of the entire industry. Now we all have to make a living, and I have chosen to make mine honestly. I may not be the cheapest, but my quotes are on the mark. If I give you a quote and then try to charge more for the same amount of work after you let me in, I am sure you will kick me out then or never call me back, so I prefer giving a little extra than taking whatever I can squeeze out of you. I say go with the guy in the middle when it comes to choosing your service providers. If it seems too good to be true, then it probably is. If it seems way too high compared to the competition, then it probably is for the more elite or just plain overpriced. Talk to others to find out whom they use and give an honest man the job.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.